I was looking for a pretty pattern to make a cowl, and I found this one. I particularly like the purl rows because they actually stand out and it looks beautiful on. This is the right side of your cowl, and the inside or the wrong side is the purl side. Using size 10 ply or an Aran weighted wool and 5mm needles, you'll have this knitted in no time at all. Simply 3 rows of purl, 3 rows of knit, and our pattern is knit 2 together, yarn forward, knit 2, yarn forward, knit 3 rows of knit, and then we start our pattern again with our purl rows. And it gives a lovely texture for the cowl. On this cowl, I've started with 3 rows of moss stitch, started the pattern, and I finish with 3 rows of moss stitch. This is quick, simple, and looks beautiful on. I hope you enjoy knitting this as much as I did. Rows 1, 2, and 3 are knit rows. Rows 5, 6, and 7 are also knit rows. Knit all the way around. Row number 4, knit 2 stitches together, yarn forward and towards you, and that completes our pattern for row number 4. Continue all the way around. Knit 2 together, yarn forward. Rows 8, 9 and 10 are purl. Purl all the way to the end. There are many ways of casting off, and I particularly like this method. It's quick, easy, and it looks effective. Cast off all remaining stitches.